Here are my PVC pieces, and this is a sanding piece. I have already cut these, and just to make the ends a little bit smoother, I did sand them down. So I'm about to finish cutting some more of the pieces on my list, and I am using a saw. I don't have it with me right now, but I will show it, and I'll try and record me cutting the pieces. So yeah, all of this stuff, which I probably won't need these very long pieces. That is 10 foot. These right here, 3 10-feet pieces of PVC. That is a bulk of 7-feet pieces, and then those are the rest of the 7-foot that was cut. So it is 3 feet. Really quickly, you guys, here is the finished product. It stands about 6 feet tall, and I have this bar that's going across is 5 inches long, but I have some 7 feet PVC pipes over here that I am going to use when I need a bigger background. Another thing I did was I made my own pull, like for the fabric, to kind of hold the fabric in place by using a rubber band and then just a little badge holder clip thingy. So one thing I wanted to show is here I made some changes. I made these two 14-inch pieces. This was what it was before. They were 14 inches. I just cut them in half, and now they're 7 inches each to make it closer to the wall because it extended too far out. But I am keeping the 14-inch pieces for when I use the 7-foot pole that I have that will go across and make it wider, more likely for family functions. But that is the only thing I changed, but I will have the updated measurements on the screen.